When I say left, you say right. When I say stop, you say no. Congratulations on being an oppositional human being. Give yourselves a round of applause. Except for one person over there that when I said up, he said up. Very interesting. Why is it as human beings we're designed to be oppositional? Why is it when you go into a store and somebody comes up to you and says, hi, can I help you find something? Your response is, no, thank you. And then all of a sudden, like the person's like, why am I even here? You can't help me. Your brain goes, I have no idea where anything is. And now you spend the rest of the time looking for that one article of clothing. And then all of a sudden, if that one helper that tried to help you takes a look at you, you're like ducking behind all these different art things and all this is like matrixing back or whatever it is. Why when I said up, nobody said stairs? Nobody said yours.